to Gramercy Park Video Knit-Along. In this video sweater class, you're going to learn everything you need to know to make this beautiful all-over lace garment, even if you've never worked lace. There's going to be video tutorials from everything from the special 2-needle elastic cast-on all the way through your finishing. In addition to the video tutorials, there's going to be a ton of sweater modifications. So for you more advanced knitters who might want to know, how do I change the neck? What if I want to change the sleeve length? What if I want to change the body length or work to a different stitch or row gauge? Even work 2 different sizes if I, say, have narrow shoulders and a large chest. You're going to learn it all. The class takes place on my education platform, where you can not only stream the videos but also download them. There's discussion boards where you can ask questions and I'll be there to help you. There's even a community group where you can post pictures and share your progress. Whenever I launch a new video sweater class, I like to launch it as a knit-along, just for fun and, of course, for prizes. So keep your eyes open on pattylyons.com. It goes on sale March 26th and we cast on April 25th. The entire pattern will be released at once, but to keep us all working together and having fun, the videos will be released on a schedule. Make sure to subscribe to my newsletter to get a 25% off coupon during the pre-sale time. Also, if you have purchased the pattern in the past from the magazine or from my website, contact me and I'll let you know how to get a 50% off coupon. Now the pattern is actually fully updated. I have rewritten it and regraded it, and I've expanded the sizes. So it's all brand new, plus, of course, you'll get the class. By the end of the class, you will have learned a ton and gotten this beautiful spring garment. See you in class.